Purna Chandra Jamatia, the Chief Executive Member of the TTAADC, has issued a sharp response to Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha's recent comments regarding the demand for the Roman script for the Kokborok language. On Wednesday, CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia strongly condemned the Chief Minister's statement, which suggested that the movement for the Roman script is fueled by an international conspiracy. Jamatia dismissed these claims as baseless, asserting that the demand is a legitimate constitutional right of the Tripura sub-people. The demand for the Roman script is neither a conspiracy nor a foreign agenda. It is a fundamental right of the indigenous people to choose a script for their own mother tongue, Jamatia stated. The CEM highlighted the educational and practical advantages of adopting the Roman script. Jamatia further slammed the BJP-led state government, accusing them of being insensitive to the cultural identity of the indigenous population. He claimed that the government is playing with the sentiments of the Tripura people by politicizing a long-standing linguistic demand.
Amiao kaisa video nukha hai Chini hastini Chief Minister Borom ganang Manik Saha Roman script ni against kok saka. O jagao sing nukha international ni chokranto tongo hanibangsi sing Roman script no borabor dabi khayo hne. Ang sana ni musuh Chini Borom ganang Chief Minister oro jaga international ni kuno chokro krui international ni kuno favor krui seng Chini besaro ni bobishot ni bagoi si seng Roman script no dabi khayo. BJP ni kebangma leader BJP ni kebangma neta rok ni cherai rok CPM ni kebangma BJP angtheng CPM angtheng kebangma cherai rok tabo English medium bai poreu. English medium by pore kangke borok Bangla script by suina ni bagai blai problem go hanibang mathematic 12 je porikha ropro borok no Roman script suirana ni nango Roman script by masui kangke si Chini chirai rok kaham ke porikha roi mana BJP ni kwbangma neta rok saime je Roman script borok baire ni script hunoi ho othoso Chini state do O script by suija English by no official language solai tongo English medium bo kwbangma solai tong boroni bwsano kheba no English medium o pornai Roman script by suiroi tongnai Chini bwsano hankeba no Bangla by suironai omo hai hingkha ke bahai ke naiba hani bangoi chung jo to busi thai wansok thai je Chini Tripura sano je Roman script by suiman no borok sajai ngui tongmani omo chungno onklok onslo rowani bagai naimanisi ge chung hastini joto lukurok busi thai je Chini o Roman script Chini bwsaroni bobishotni hamkhrani bagai si oro jaga kuno political party ni favor o thangmani klaya omo politics ya Chini bwsaroni bobishotni hamkhrani bagai si hani bangai Chini Borom ganang Chief Minister no sanani musugo chung Chini bwsaroni bobishot no wansokmani chuk nung wansoya hani bangai Chini bwsaro no chung toma script by suironai toma script by poreronai omo chung si decide khainai nung sebaba je chungno Roman script by masuya ma poreya hai hanai charnai omo Chini adhikar Chini constitutional rights si mo Chini fundamental rights si hani bangai hastini joto lukrok bu busi thai oro jaga politics nei tawan sokdi omo Chini bwsaroni bobishot ni kogno wansok laiwi jara CPM khainai BJP khainai Congress khainai boni bwsaro bo tabo English medium porei tongnai rok borok bu porikha fail nai borok bu porikha fail wngkha ke boroni bobishot bu nosto nai boroni bobishot nosto wngha mane Chini Tripura sani bobishot nosto nai hani bangai ang Chief Minister ni o statement no blai chajagya protibad khayo chung Roman script no nayo hambai.
The TTAADC administration maintains that the preference for the Roman script among the majority of Kokborok speakers has been clear for decades, and any attempt to level this culture movement as a conspiracy is an insult to the indigenous community. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.